My name is Abna Mango. I'm joined by Counsel Philip Mayo and Connex Maro. And today we were in court as regards the Kanmaiyo case, who was dragged to this honorable courts, arrested in a brutal and inhumane way, and subsequently charged under Section 22 and 23 of the Computer Misuse and Cyber Crimes Act. As all Kenyans know, the Court of Appeal recently spoke with authority and precision and declared as unconstitutional Section 22 and 23 of the Computer Misuse and Cyber Crimes Act that has been used by the state to curtail the Gen Zs and social media warriors from expressing their freedom of expression as espoused under Article 33 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. Particularly, if you look at paragraph 141 and 142 of the Court of Appeal judgment, the three-judge bench in a matter that was filed by the Bloggers Association of Kenya, who felt that those particular provisions of the law were meant to curtail and were vague, and the extent of which was to limit the use by innocent Kenyans to disseminate information so that you can be arraigned in court for a frivolous charge that does not disclose any offense known under the laws of Kenya. Today we have secured another huge victory. Kanmaiyo is now a free Kenyan. They sought to withdraw their frivolous charge under Section 87A of the Criminal Procedure Code. We vehemently opposed that application for withdrawal because it allows subsequent arraignment and charge before court. And what we told court today is that that provision of the law is null and void ab initio, is no longer recognized by dint of the Court of Appeal judgment. And the court indeed has agreed with us and our submissions and has quashed those charges under Article 89(5) of the Criminal Procedure Code that gives the power of the court to reject a charge if it does not disclose any offense known under the law. We have equally informed court that we shall be moving the High Court to seek redress of constitutional violations of our client, that is Kanmaiyo, for the violations of his rights, including freedom of expression, and fundamentally Article 25 that gives non-derogable rights. These are rights that cannot be taken away, which includes right from inhuman and cruel treatment. The manner in which he was arrested, the manner in which he was held incommunicado, in police custody, was a total violation of his right and a provision of law that is now non-existent. So what we are telling Kenyans today is that if there is any Kenyan who has been arraigned in any court in this republic under those unconstitutional provisions, that is Section 22 and 23 of the Computer Misuse and Cyber Crimes Act, kindly contact us, because we need to move the court with speed and have those proceedings terminated immediately so that you can enjoy your freedom, you can continue with your day-to-day job, and you can also seek redress at the High Court by the constitutional petition for the violations of your rights. Maybe Counsel Mayo.
Right, members of the public, in July last year, Kanmaiyo was unceremoniously hounded out of his offices along Moi Avenue in Nairobi. He was taken to a police station, later on charged under frivolous charges. In July last year, we put the state on notice that these draconian laws, which are frivolous, vague, and have no basis in law, have no constitutional founding, that we will expose them for they are here before the courts of law. Luckily for us, before we could even attend the hearing of this shameful and baseless matter, the Court of Appeal pronounced itself very loud and clear last week, vindicating my client, Kanmaiyo, and many other Gen Zs who have suffered like him. We are now moving on to seek redress. They can no longer arrest you for simply expressing yourself, for exercising your constitutional rights. Now we want compensation. Kan has been without his devices, his mobile phones. He's unable to conduct his business for almost a whole year. He's treated like a common criminal just for being an active and engaged and woke citizen. We are moving to the High Court. We are asking the PS Treasury set aside 100 million shillings for Kanmaiyo. See you in court.
First of all, I'd like to thank God, my counsel, and my friends who have come to support me in this cause from the beginning of this case, and every Kenyan that really has been raising their voice for me to deserve justice. Today, Kenyans have won, the Constitution has won, the law has won. And it's a reminder to this regime that they are not above the law. It's a reminder to them that they are servants, they are not masters. As long as they are servants, we who employ them, we will hold them accountable and make sure their evil is exposed. They will not continue killing us, and we keep quiet. And to the police, I am asking you, kindly stop following unlawful orders. Because at the end of the day, the law will catch up with every public servant who misappropriates it.